Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEAN. Review legendary Honda build quality. The Honda PAN EUROPEAN ST1300 is as accomplished a machine as you can buy. It does everything you ask of it and more. Smooth, comfortable, fast, powerful and well-built, the Honda PAN EUROPEAN ST1300 should be near the top of anyone's list whether they're in the market for a mile-munching tourer or a classy commuter. Superb ride quality and brakes. With its low seat and easy manners, the Honda PAN EUROPEAN is a pleasure to steer. In fact, you'll wonder where all that ground clearance went the first time your pegs grind out. The seat is initially too firm, but after 6,000 to 7,000 miles it begins to yield a bit. The brakes are excellent, the balance is near perfect, and even 2 up on the Honda PAN EUROPEAN you'll barely notice the difference. Engine. The Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEAN's DOHC V4 is the last of the great Honda V4s, and with its trademark smooth, turbine-like power, there's no mistaking it for anything else. Any gear, anytime, the Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEAN is ready for action with no fuss, just effortless delivery. It's not exactly exciting, but, boy, is the Honda PAN EUROPEAN competent. Reliability and build quality. Some early Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEANs experienced some corrosion problems, but these seem to have been sorted on post-04 machines. Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEAN owners are usually experienced, responsible types which, combined with the ultra-reliable V4 motor and its low-maintenance shaft drive, means they're a very safe bet for trouble-free miles new or used. Value versus rivals. Honda PAN EUROPEANs depreciate very slowly, as there is so few second-hand examples on the market because owners hang on to their PANs. So although prices are high, you will get more of your money back, and because of their reliability and desirability, mileage is less of a factor on Honda PAN EUROPEANs, too. Equipment. CBS, combined braking system, is standard fit on the Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEAN, as are the panniers. You can add heated grips, a top box and soft luggage, too. ABS model Honda ST1300 PAN EUROPEAN available. Specs. Engine size 1261 cubic centimeters. Engine type 16V, V4 6 gears. Frame type aluminium twin spar. Fuel capacity 29 liters. Seat height 805 millimeters. Bike weight 287 kilograms. Front suspension preload. Rear suspension preload, rebound. Front brake twin 310 mm discs. Rear brake 316 mm disc. Front tire size 120/70x18. Rear tire size 170/60x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 45 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £290. New price. Used price £3,300 to £8,600. Insurance group 14 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage.